Hi guys, good morning to you all. I just woke up. Now is let me check the time. Now it's 7:30 and today is Sunday. And I don't think I will be able to go to the church. So I have a lot of things to do this morning. I'm going to wash my clothes I put inside the water. I soaked inside the water yesterday. And I'm going to wash the plates in the kitchen and maybe mop the floor and wash my toilet. Let's see how today goes, guys. And please, if you're hearing any sound on this video, that is because I'm not using my mic. And also I opened the window is not closed because I want the natural light to reflect on this video. I don't want to use the ring light. My lips is so dry right now. Let me use my lipstick. So we'll be heading to the kitchen now, since I've finished arranging the bed. So I'm coming. We'll be heading to the kitchen to do the necessary things. Heading to the kitchen now. Oh, I forgot my tripod. So please guys, do ensure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below and help me share this video, guys. Help me share this video. guys, I just finished dressing my bed, cleaning, mopping the room and the sitting room, washing the toilet, and I washed my clothes too. I started 7:30. I started 7:30, and the time now is 10:16. So I will be heading to the kitchen now to let me off the AC. I will be heading to the kitchen now to prepare something. Maybe I'm just going to eat cornflakes and milk for my breakfast. So let's head to the kitchen. I'm so tired. And now anytime I wake up in the morning, I always eat first before brushing my teeth. I don't know if you guys are like that. Just comment down below. I always eat first before brushing my teeth. I don't brush my teeth before eating. So I'm heading to the kitchen now to go prepare something. I wanted to prepare noodles, but let me just eat this first. Maybe during lunchtime I'm going to, let me think along my water. Maybe during lunchtime I'm going to prepare noodles. Okay. Where's my cornflakes? It's okay like this. Well, I'm so famished. I didn't get a chance to clean on Saturday, so that's why I'm doing it on Sunday morning. That will be the end of today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. You see that red subscribe button? Just click on it. It's actually free. Click on it, and the bell close to the subscribe button, click on the bell too, so that anytime I post, you will be the first person to be notified. And please don't forget to share this video too. I love you guys. Bye.